Our relationship with Emirates started 21 years ago, and today they operate a fleet of over 50 Airbus aircraft.
I joined 16 years ago in '91 when the airline had probably about 6 aircraft. Of course, it has been quite a spectacular expansion since then, and from a professional point of view, this is really a luxury to be able to move on always to new aircraft and new technology, and expansion means that there's always new challenges. So you're never in a routine established. You're always looking forward to changes and new aircraft, new network. So it's been quite an adventure, and this, I must say, is absolute the culmination. It's the icing on the cake, the introduction of the 380.
As everybody knows, Emirates is by far the largest customer for the A380, and there can be no doubt of our confidence in this aircraft.
We have only to thank Emirates Airlines for this new vote of confidence in Airbus and in the A380.
Thank you.